Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We're parked here at the side of Grasmere, but you probably can't hear us properly because we're at the side of the road. So let's get onto the public footpath. It's a lovely walk this around Grasmere, but last week if you would have watched the video you'd know that some of you guessed right of our age, but a lot of you thought that Annalise is younger than me, when in fact she's actually older.
He is such a liar. I'm 26, he's 28, and I'm actually 27 tomorrow. It's my birthday and we're doing something really exciting, so make sure you stay tuned for later on in the video.
27 going on 64.
Everyone said you're like 28 going on 60 odd because you're so old.
I know, yeah, I can't believe people actually said that. That's cheeky that though, isn't it? Not think?
Yeah.
Proper cheeky. Oh, it's stunning here.
Also, I just want to say thank you to everyone that said that I hope you're feeling okay. I'm feeling like a little bit better. I just haven't moved out of bed in a week, so this is my first proper walk. So we're going to take it nice and easy and hopefully we'll be alright.
I just wanted to stop at the beginning of this video and say thank you to everybody that subscribed and showing love on the comments below, because the interaction on these videos that we're getting recently has just been amazing, and it feels like you got a proper community and everyone's getting involved, everyone's commenting, and it's really nice. Like, we love just sitting back and reading the comments on a night, and some of them are hilarious. I mean, don't get me wrong, you're always going to get the odd one person that just disagrees with you, but in total, like in general, everybody's been really nice, so I just want to say thank you to all you guys.
And speaking of comments, we actually had the official YouTube account comment on one of our previous videos saying how good the comment section was.
We're currently walking along the side of Grasmere Lake, and this path was used for carrying coffins from Ambleside and Rydal to St Oswald Church. If you're walking along this route, there should be big stones in the floor about this high, and that's where they rested the coffins on when they were carrying them, obviously from Ambleside and Rydal to Grasmere. It's locally known as the Coffin Route, which is freaky as hell. We're actually thinking of doing a series during Halloween for a full month of all the freaky stuff that happens in and around the Lake District, and maybe Scotland or Wales as well.
Yeah, there is a lot of freaky stuff, especially around Windermere, that we've discovered, so it'll be really good to like show you guys the history of it.
And the proper hidden secrets, so a lot of people don't know about them. You may think twice about coming to the Lake District. Wait till you look inside that. Don't know about you, but I feel like I'm filming for bloody David Attenborough.
Got the wildlife. I mean, I wouldn't class horses as wildlife, but you know what I mean.
No.
All the animals.
Seagulls, pigeons and geese. Oh dear, look at that leash. Cut the head off that, we'll use it in the van as a coat hanger. Death by chocolate. Guess what I got?
What?
Cappuccino.
You're really dark on the screen.
Mm. No, what's this? Is it?
Look at it. As soon as I scoop it, she's eating it.
Well, that was a lovely ice cream. We're going to enjoy this backdrop, start walking back to the van. We'll catch you back there.
So we've just parked up here at Braithwaite Fold car park, and don't worry guys, we're not going to stay apart like this. The sun is over there, so we're just going to get the last of it and point the van so we can sit inside but have the sun coming in while we're cooking tea. Now the reason we're here in Bowness is because we're doing, like I said before, something really exciting. Now before we do show you tomorrow, leave it in the comments what you think that we're going to be getting up to. You can stay overnight here for £11.80 from 8 PM till 8 AM in the morning, which is quite reasonable to be fair. Come on then fat lad, you getting tea on?
I thought you was getting tea on.
Jordan, where you going?
Well, Annalise thought it was funny to poo in a bag and then leave me with having to dispose of it.
You liar, that's your poo. Anyone else with a camper van? Why? Literally, we have to clean this like 3 times a day. What is going on?
It's been raining non-stop and now having this bit of sun, it's really nice. So we're taking it.
So we're having a bit of a cheat, so we're using a jarred sauce, Balti, if you know the score by now, packet rice, chicken, and then we're using pita breads for the naan bread. And our favourite, oh, hold on, garlic oil. If you're like me and hate using more than one pan, I shove the rice in here. Once that's cooked, I put it in one of these to keep warm while I'm cooking my curry, and it's still in the same pan, so it's a win-win.
And I've just got Disney Plus up here because I'm going to put Pirates of the Caribbean on now. Watch a bit of that whilst I've got some nice sun. Oh, I think Lily's a bit warm. You just said, do you want to film me cutting some chicken?
Yeah, people might want to see me cutting some chicken. It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, go on. Look at that.
I'm a good cutter, me, Anna.
You are.
You should put me on MasterChef for top cutter. Freshly grown chicken from the garage underneath the bed.
If you don't know by now, we've got a couple of chickens under the bed that we feed. And then when it's ready for a curry, it's
I didn't even know you were going to do that. If anyone is actually interested in this little thing, I've added salt, pepper, curry powder and garlic because we don't like unseasoned chicken. Added some onions, add some sauce, and then Mr. Toaster's coming out to toast the pita breads. And for anyone wondering what it uses, 69.5-ish amps. But obviously that's for like what, 3 minutes, so it's hardly anything. Oh, look at that sun.
Look at
that
that.
Is so good.
You literally can't knock the sun, can you, when it's out? Well, that was absolutely banging. Can we not get a dishwasher in here? Oh wait, I've already got one.
I knew you were going to say that. 'Cause I was thinking, it's like we've got twin telepathy, because I was just thinking you are a dishwasher, mate.
Ooh, that was a good feed, but we've decided we're going to go for a nice little walk because it's quite a nice temperature now and the sun's setting, or sun just set, should we say. Woo! So basically, where we're parked here in Bowness, just behind us is a caravan and camping site, but it's more like a retirement village, so if you want to go and park on there and pay a fortune, you're more than welcome to, but it's £11.50 here a night. Plus you've also got, just over there, public toilets, and they've also put up recently, just at the back over there in that blue container, is black waste. That's a good sign, isn't it? So this is actually what we're wanting, one of these, which are quite cool. Just a little rib boat for me, Annalise and Lily to jump in. So if we find one at a good price, we'll grab one, because it'll be fun. I didn't realise there's Nelson Point here as well. As some of you may know, it's Analises' birthday tomorrow, right? I've got a really funny birthday present. So basically, you've needed it in the past.
Yeah.
But, so you've needed it in the past, but you could possibly need it in the future.
Yeah, Andy said that it's for him as well, like he wants it. So, I don't know what it is.
Oh, I can't wait to see your face. I'm going to make sure I film it.
It's going to be something completely stupid, like a fishing rod or
It's
something
not.
like that.
It's something really, really good. It's not going to be a fishing rod because I've already got two.
Better not be a fishing rod because you can go send it back.
It's not a fishing rod. So that's us for the night, guys. And we'll catch you in the morning when we ditch van life for something a bit different. Morning, guys. It's Analises' birthday today. And she's still fast asleep. So last night I was doing like all the banners and stuff. I've just realised I've only got 24 candles. She's 27. It's slinky. Happy birthday to you. You belong in a zoo. Come on, get up. It's your birthday, you lazy sod. Yeah.
I think I've spat all over it.
Yeah. I don't know if it's cake anymore, it's more like candle wax.
Ah, you put some birthday banners up.
I know. Good, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'll give you your birthday card first. The only downside is...
You've not wrapped it up?
They did. Do you know when I bought the card?
Yeah.
There was no bloody envelopes for it. So I was going to wrap it up in like... with tin foil or something.
Oh, look at the middle.
Like it?
To my beautiful wife. Not yet.
Yeah, but you don't have to read that.
They all think that you're soft. Oh, thank you.
Put some headphones because you wanted some.
I had the pink as well. Oh, you get a case.
I know you do. Nice them, aren't they? How nice are they? They're well good. On, pop them on.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Next one.
Do they know what it is?
No. No one knows what it is. Put it dead slow, just in case it jumps out.
No, it's going to be like a rat in it.
A rat? Where have I got a rat from? Go on.
What is it? What is that? What is that?
Oh, that's so funny. Look at that.
And that is because when we went fishing last time we caught a pike. Jordan, I was going to swear then, Jordan got scared and made me get the hook out the pike's mouth.
And we didn't even have them. She's definitely itching to get out and try and catch a pike.
And definitely not.
That's us all packed up and ready to go, but we're not telling you what we're doing, but we are in a rush.
We've been to Tesco this morning and got ourselves a little picnic, and Lily's got a little life jacket.
Something's in the air. I can
Fast, isn't
feel it everywhere. Every color seems to blue.
So we've got a boat on Lake Windermere. We've got it from Windermere Bay Marina, and this one is called Zelda. So let's give you a boat tour. We've got a little inside bit here, and that's a cover. And then Jordan's here being captain. We also have a Bluetooth bit here so you can have your music on. We can have a crying Lily down there because I've stood up. She thinks I'm leaving her. Aww. And then we've got all the seating at the back as well.
Ahoy!
Oh my god.
Do you like a sangria, love?
I'd love a sangria. I'm sat here with an empty glass on my birthday. Pretend that we're in Spain somewhere.
Literally.
Thank you. That's enough. That's enough. Jesus.
Get it down, you love.
Look at this for weather as well. Do you know what? I don't think I've ever had a birthday where it's rained or anything. It's always been absolutely glorious. And look at today.
How's your sangria?
Sangria.
We got sangria. It's sangria, it is.
It's bloody lovely.
Bloody lovely.
The tears that keeps crippling.
Oh my god, grab the camera. It's taking over me. It's taking over me. That's it.
Our 2 hours are up, so we're going to head back to Bowness Bay and give the boat back, unfortunately. Honestly though guys, if you're looking for something to do like a little day out, Bowness isn't really our favourite place because it is like too commercialised, but it's definitely worth coming and getting on one of these boats. They're so good. And I don't know what the other companies are like, but we always go with Bowness Bay Marina and they're absolutely brilliant.
Oh, back to the van. That was fun, wasn't it?
Oh, I loved it. That was such a good treat.
Oh, let's have a chill out now, eh?
Let's get
Nice
that
and
fan
warm,
on,
innit?
it is boiling.
Proper warm, innit?
We've just had a little siesta because we was absolutely knackered after that little boat ride. But someone is being lazy.
Do we have to get out of bed?
Yeah, we're going for a meal.
Alright then. At least I don't have to do any dishes.
So I've managed to take the makeup off, put it back on because I slept and it had all gone everywhere. And this lazy one is still in bed. So we're going to one of our favourite like pizza style restaurants tonight in Ambleside, which is the Tap Yard. And if you've not been before, wait until you see this food. And then Mr. Slinky is waiting because me and Jordan are going to feast on that tonight. So it is currently 10 to 6 and we've got a table booked for 6:30. And we're in Bowness, so we're going to go and drive to Ambleside now, but you know what parking's like, so fingers crossed we get somewhere to park, and preferably for free. Here he is, finally made it out of bed, have you?
I have, but what do you mean, preferably for free? No, it is gonna be free. We're not going far, are we?
No.
So just put 30 quid in? Yeah. So what are you thinking of having then? Pizza or burger?
Pizza.
The burgers were really good though last time.
They are really good, and they do really good, look at that dog poo on the floor.
Oh.
They do really good loaded fries as well, so it might be pizza.
Do you remember them where you had the steak on top?
And the chicken.
Oh my god, I forgot about them. Tell you what, I hope the football's on more often. Look at this, it's dead. It's actually really nice for once.
Oh, the football's on upstairs.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, at least it's not down here.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
We've been trying to find somewhere without the football on, because you don't watch it. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Well, that was absolutely lovely, wasn't it?
I am stuffed. That was absolutely gorgeous.
It's really good. Why have you brought your pillow out here?
It's Lily's blanket.
It's like a pillow, look at the state.
If we're eating out, she'll literally only settle if she's got a dog bed or a blanket.
Back at the van now, that food was amazing, but we're going to go and park up in Grasmere. Today it said it was going to be cloudy and it's been sunny all day, so I think this is the start of our 2-week summer in the UK. Is it nice? Oh, you better eat it all. Oh, I love that. Oh, listen to that.
Crunchy crunch. Can I eat your head? I didn't say anything.
She's literally just said, what was it? Something like, you better be slinky tonight or something. I'm going to do a slinky in the toilet. Well, look at this for views. Got the mountains all there in the background. The only downside to it is obviously cars that's on the road. It's a bit of a lay-by, but it's still quite nice. You got the sun pouring in the van, and obviously amazing views when you wake up in the morning. So we're going to leave the vlog there, guys. Thanks for watching. But quiz question, next week we're going to be going to a different country, but what country do you think it is? Drop it in the comments below and we'll catch you on the next one.
Hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now, right now.